Alright, YouTube. Hope you guys been out there building shit. So, there's a planter box that I did in the old upcycled chair. But, that's not the point of this video. Just got done doing these granite scraps, broken chunks and stuff that somebody asked me to take to the dump in the workshop truck. But, instead, I used a bunch of them and I did this kind of mosaic little pattern for my little hot tub patio. Just a little DIY something with something that was free to me. So just believe in yourselves and believe that you guys can do little projects, beautify your property, create a little oasis. Just believe in yourselves. Look at YouTube, look at other projects, look at Pinterest, get some ideas. Go and get some stuff, upcycle, do a DIY project. Just believe in yourselves, and as you do, you're gonna create your own self-worth and self-esteem. So till next time, keep building shit.